In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an alternator and power steering belt on a Subaru Forester with a 2.5 liter engine. It is located in the engine area. After you raised and supported your hood safely, you need to remove these two covers. They're held on by 3 10mm bolts and 1 12mm bolt. This 12mm bolt you don't have to remove all the way. Just loosen it up a little, swing up on this bracket, and pull it out. Now it's time to remove your alternator belt. Your alternator belt is held on by 1 12mm here and 1 12 here. You just want to loosen that up. And this 12 here, you're going to relieve the tension for your belt. Slide your belt off towards you. Put that off to the side. On your screen, there'll be a diagram for your power steering and alternator belt routing. Slide your belt down onto your crank pulley, around your alternator pulley, and then around your power steering pulley. Tighten your tension bolt. Once you have the correct tightness of this belt, you want to tighten your 12mm lock bolt. Now we install our covers. Slide that in between that bolt for your alternator, like that. Swing that down. Install your 10mm bolt and tighten both. Now your AC cover, slide it over the bolt here, and install your 10mm bolt here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.